Good morning, everyone, and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin. Hope you're all doing very well as always. Sorry, and yeah, just take some time to zoom out on this chart here and see how high we are right now. This is just pretty crazy. We're at 43,000, 44,000. This is just pretty crazy. I'm not even realizing, to be fair. This is just really, really high. Like we spent so long below here to lower prices, and so to be now that high, it's just pretty cool. Not gonna lie. So yeah, we're going to update everything as always. I'm going to talk about the waves, the different levels, the different possible trades we can get today, everything really, so we can trade the chart really good. So first of all, these are some single prints I added yesterday on my chart for some possible trade setups, okay, during the day, but we never came back here, so we've got nothing really here, no reason to take some trade around there. By the way, is the microphone working well? Yes, nice. So yeah, let's update this chart here first of all, as always. We're going to use the levels first. There is no new daily levels. We can come back here on a bit of a lower time frame. Perfect. Here, if you want to get these templates here, plus the order flow view right here, you just have to go on the MOONCHARTS, the fair website, and you can just download everything for free. This is a workspace, so you just have one file to download, and you just import this, and you can get everything. The order flow view right here, plus the DOM on the right, and all of these levels right here to update every day. Plus, of course, here the weekly naked path control, plus the monthly naked path control. So you have really everything. But anyway, so here we have. Where is the 47? Okay. So we have this new one here at 41,650. Let's take that one. Oops. I said 41,650. Nice. We have no other ones here. Just gonna load that really quick. TPOs, we have one here, 41,762. Okay, and Alright, we have no daily naked path control. And yeah, so we have these two single prints there. Okay, again, I prefer for single prints to take the 50 ticks, not the 8 ticks. So here, for example. And this top was okay, but not the best one of the best one, to be honest. And yeah, these two single prints are something to be aware of. Let me see here a bit of confluence so I can see. Just gonna go on the order flow real quick. Bam. Okay. No news today, by the way. Well, as a scalper, you have to be aware of different things here. Because the thing is, we're in a really strong uptrend. Now we can be close, to retrace with the wave, for example, for this possible wave 4. So, yeah, the first possible trade really I'll be looking for personally, except we start really getting some big red candles and be into the pink wave 4 already. Because remember that we are normally into this blue wave 5. It's possibly done, so we are possibly going to retrace for that wave 4 already. So we're going to see the confluence, but as a scalper I will be aware of this swing Philip pan here of that low. Okay, right there you have a swing Philip pan right here, plus this single print top. If we get acceptance into the single print, as always, we expect it to be filled, so normally we shall go to the bottom of it. And here, yes, we can do a massive swing through pound reclaim. It's possible. Okay, so this is the first possible trade idea of the day. Higher than this, I don't care. Remaining long from lower. This is the first possible idea. Okay, if we start breaking this with nothing good for a long in the order flow, as always, this allows you to really make some informed trading decision. You can really know if you have or not to take the trade. So it's pretty crazy. If this is not valid, really, if we get nothing in there, nothing good to take the long trade, no good data in the order flow to take the long trade, we're simply going to look for the next area. So here I would say second single print, 6.66%, value low of this push up, plus the second single print, plus maybe an extension tool or something, and maybe this match with the wave 4 let me see. Yeah, okay, so yeah, this is this is the first possible one. Okay, that's a bit high for the wave 4, but if we are not in the wave 4 yet, we can still look for this. If now we drop more, this is the second possible long, and if we start dropping more, we do have the MCF we can see here, but there is just no real big confidence with this. You can pull this fixed range, for example. I think you have some power of control, maybe it's, yeah, value are high here, but I will prefer to go for the power of control here. We'll have more confidence below. Okay, so we can bounce off the MCF, but I would prefer low here. So first long trade, okay, swing through pound single print top. If we get acceptance here, we'll look for the single print to be filled. Go below, look for the value low 6.66%, the second single print. Go below here, look for, so we can bounce off the MCF, but I will prefer to go here personally into the TP and the naked session power control, and maybe swing through the pound some few lows here. Okay, these are the different long trade trades. We'll have to look for step by step. We just need to trade the direction, really. We just look at this. And sorry, my cat is hungry right now. But anyway, so here, these are the three possible trades, really. If we start breaking this, okay, the cat is joining the live stream right now. If we start breaking this, then we'll have no real big support, to be honest with you. Sorry. I'm gonna go on this high time frame chart here, to be fair. It's gonna be easier for me to show you this right here. So this right there. What do you want? Sorry about that. I can concentrate. Crazy. Sorry. So so these are the three different possible trades. If we start breaking this, then we do have, you know, this small consolidation right here, okay, with a possible swing fairly part, of course, of this consolidation. Now, if we really start getting acceptance below here, we don't have so much big support, to be fair. You can see we have only naked session, path control, some stuff like that, with some lower time frame swing fairly pounds. We need to get some waves and some more stuff here to be able to pull some fips, for example, to get some confidence with this. If we really start to fall from here, for example, we are more likely going to look for this first key level here, so to speak, around 39,000. And if we start breaking 39,000, we can look for this weekly negative power control down to the month's negative power control here. Sorry, with this value are high. And yeah, if we start breaking this zone of support right here, we can simply look for a nice drop. We do have, of course, some lower time frame support. Really pause the screen if you want to add every single lower time frame support. This is really for day traders. Really, all these lower time frame support are really tons of different support you have to be aware of to really scalp, okay, on the market. But if you really want to get only the biggest support, you just have to look at this, really. Okay, if we fall from here, break this consolidation, we're going to come back down around 39,000. If we break 39,000, we shall go around this weekly negative power control, value are high in monthly negative power control. And if we start breaking this, we can swing fully pound some few bottoms, but normally we'll have more chance to go into the point of control and the value are low, and even maybe swing fully pounds the overall range low here. Okay, and if we start breaking this, of course, we can look for much more lower prices, so to speak, around 30,600-700. Now to the upside, yes, rejected nothing here. I mean, nothing. It's not true, to be fair, because we have the swing for the pan here. as I explained yesterday. Oops, wrong tool right here. If I can catch it. Right there. Here you go. So you've got this kind of swing Philip pound of failed auction just above here, depending on the time frame, I guess. Well, no. So it's a kind of failed auction above, really small one. But anyway, so yeah, this was all the zone we've planned yesterday. And if we now get acceptance above, okay, we have planned lower. So now if we get acceptance above, we are simply going to look for the monthly level around 45,500. Then we can look for the weekly and the path controls of 45,500 up to 46,800, 47 to 300. If we start breaking this zone of resistance again, we can simply look for a new high here to be made, so to speak, 48,200 normally, by the way, up to this monthly naked path control at 48,700. Break this zone of support or of resistance, sorry. We can look for this weekly here up to this swing Philip pound at the top, swing Philip pound possibly into this value high level. Okay, these right here are the most biggest resistance we have higher we have to the upside. Okay, same for the support. Remember that we do have some lower time frame resistance all the way up here. By the way, there are some few levels missing here. You can see we have a lot of levels right here. So we do have some more confluence really. For example, here you can see with the monthly here, we do have a daily, a naked session path control, a daily naked path control, TPO, for example, for scalpers. Maybe we're going to break this monthly, come back down and retrace from here, and this right here is going to give a good scalp, for example. And just to do a flip to support, come back up again. But this right here for day traders, this section here can be a really good trade already. Okay, so if you really want to scalp and get every single levels, just pause the screen and add all the levels here. Okay, now yes, if you don't really care, just want to get the most important ones, this is enough. Okay, these right here are really enough. But anyway, so now we're good with these levels. These are the most important ones we have right now on Bitcoin. So now we can move on the waves. So the waves here, I'm taking personally this as a wave 5. Okay, the wave for here, I don't know why it moves everything. Right there, like this. Good. So these are the wave 5 targets, I posted yesterday on the Discord server, so make sure to join as always to get some live updates. Jeez, sorry. So sorry, these are the wave 5 targets I posted yesterday. I gave you, all the information I really had to know, like if we break the area, I don't want to see the RSI breaking the previous high here on the 2 hours, for example. Otherwise, I'm still going to look for the wave 3, okay, to still be in the wave 3. Now, we did not broken this. We went into the, we have done a clear rejection for the moment of the first wave 5, second wave 5 target, sorry. So yeah, for now, I'm taking this as a wave 5. Now again, yeah, if we start breaking this top, okay, if we break this, then normally we should be still into the blue wave 3, so to speak. We should still be in this, and so in that case, as I said, we should simply take this wave 3 targets here. Okay, you have everything on the Discord server. But yeah, normally here we should be in this. Okay, I'm not going to be super bullish as always. This is not what we have to take first of all. And yeah, so we should be into this wave 5. So this wave 5 right here have the following targets now. So 1618 hit and rejected. Not the best data at all on this, but we'll see here what's happening next. If we can get a retest or something here to get better data, because yeah, for now this was not really the best, if I'm mistaken, on that top. Maybe it was, by the way, because I was maybe sleeping at that time. Let me check that real quick. Okay. Right, just hold on a minute, Mike. I want to go out at the moment. All right, sorry about this. So 5 minutes wasn't that bearish. 3 minutes here took. Okay, I know that the ticks are really big at the moment. but it's just because when it's very volatile, these are the good ticks. I'm a bit tired of switching every time between different ticks. Okay. Well, you've got a very small absorption here. Yeah. Not really, to be honest. At the end. No, this was not that bearish, to be honest. But you know, sometimes we don't have the some super bearish data. We still do the move to the downside, but come back up next. It means that we're not going to drop like massively from here, or we're going to get a retest as always. This is the first step if the data are bad. This is what's happening most of the time. Well, anyway, this was not that bearish. Yeah, so these are the two wave 5 targets we have to look at right now. Okay, so first one, we have to look for a short around there. We can look for a possible short trade around there. Okay, just read the order flow really. If we have to short there, by the way, let me see. There are two short trades I will be aware of. The first one will be this, okay. I'm gonna leave this here. The first one will be here, okay, so take the highs and retrace and come back down and drop from here, okay. This right here is the first possible short trade I'll be aware of. Again, I'm not saying you have to place limit here to take the short trade. As always, read this. This will give you the answer if you have or not to take it. So this right here can be something, okay. Again, remember that shorts right now, we are shorting into a massive uptrend, so be careful with shorts really. But this is the first possible short idea if you have to get a short trade, okay. We just take these highs right there, so the current top plus these tops right here, okay. So we really swing through the pan everything, stop some few shorts, and from here get a reversal. If we start getting acceptance above, so to speak, we don't get any rejection with good data for a short here, we're simply going to look for a continuation, and we're going to look for this 61886%, 7x6 value high, and swing through the pan right here, okay. So to speak, we're going to look for such configuration right here. Swing through the pan of this top here, and we're going to look for a short trade around there, okay. If there is nothing here, new high, simple as that really. Okay, and we just look so for a possible because the thing is we have a massive wick on Coinbase. You can see here that we don't have on Bybit. Okay, you can see we don't have such wick on Bybit here. Normally Bybit has the wicks, not Coinbase. Sometimes we do the opposite. So you can, for example, take the highs on Bybit and not take the highs on Coinbase, for example. Okay, just something you have to be aware of. But yeah, so these are the two different possible trades right now. Okay, so swing through the pan of this top really to make it easy. Swing through pan, retrace, get a good short data in here. If there is nothing, okay, then look for the next target. Next target, swing through pan, these tops, okay, and retrace from here. Can we stop in between? Okay, so speak stop here and then retrace. Yes, it's possible, but again, we have no resistance here really, so I don't care about this target. And if for me we reject from here, then this was a low probability trade because there is no confidence with this target, and so this is missed, and that's it really. I'm just gonna wait for the next trade. But anyway, if now we get acceptance above, we look for a swing through pan or a fair location of the overall range, overall top we have done really. Okay, and the next target of plan. Yeah, so now with the waves, if we are in a wave 4, okay, so if we're in the pink wave 4, what we have to do here? We simply have to do and to find a wave 4 targets, right? So to do this, we have to check first of all what was a wave 2. So here we can see that this was really a regular wave 2, so to speak, a wave 2 that finished between the 5618 and 66%. When we do a regular wave 2, we expect to be next in a regular wave 4. So what we have to do here is simply to pull the retracement tool from the wave 3 top to the wave 3 bottom, okay, or the opposite as always. It depends if you reverse it in your settings. I did reverse on my tool, it's from the top to the bottom, otherwise it's just simply do the bottom to the top. From here, 2316 is the first target, 3132 day is the MC, fib is the second target, and the third target is the 38.2. This zone of price is where we have more chance to bounce, okay, when we're in a wave 4, in a regular wave 4. All of this green. This right here, keep in mind that we're in a very strong uptrend, so we can bounce from the 2316. Normally we have more chance to go into the MC fib and 38.2. Now we will see we're in a very strong uptrend, we can still remain around there, okay, it's possible. So once we have done this wave 4, let's take the case that we're going to go to the 38.2, okay. Let's take a case that we are going to go here. What we have to do if we do this, we just have to find a wave 5 targets next, right? So we pull the extension tool from the wave 1 route, right there, if I can catch it. Let me do this, gonna be too long otherwise. Perfect. From the wave 1 route to the wave 1 top, right here, to the wave 4 bottom. So the wave 4 bottom, we don't know yet where it's going to be, okay? It can be on the 2316, it can be on the MCV, it can be on the 30, but maybe to the 50%, it's possible to go there. It's not impossible, but it's a lot less probable, okay? So let's take the case that we do a regular wave 4, so to speak, we go to the 38.2. From here, we just can add the wave 5 target, so 618. What will bring us with a truncated wave 5 that's top before the wave 3 top, so it is less probable, so we look for the next one. The next one, 1-to-1 extension, double top swing Philip pan. It is less probable with a wave when you're in impulsive. Now it's possible, just be aware of that in live in a time, but normally the most probable target, the first one, is the 1618, simply because it's the one that is not truncated and that do not result to a double top or a swing Philip pan. So this normally should be the first more likely target if we have to be in the wave 5 next, and then we have of course the 2618. Okay, again remember, it's in case we bounce from the 38.2. If we bounce for example from the MC fib, bam, the 1-to-1 extension will become the first target more likely, simply because that brings us with the top, I mean something I'm gonna go above past the previous top, okay. And if we start on the 2316, same 1-to-1 extension right here is the most probable target. Okay, hope that makes sense. So this is how we can place this next, but if we have to retrace, I mean if we retrace from here, don't be surprised, we are possibly into the wave 4. Okay, now if we start to do this, we just drop from here and we break the wave on top and get some invalidation on the RSI, so to speak, get the wave 4 on the RSI that break the wave to bottom. Okay, so to speak, we're going to do this. We'll have the wave 1, 2, 3. Let's take a case that we do a massive wave for here, we do this, then it's not valid anymore because the wave 4 cannot break the wave to bottom on the RSI, okay, and cannot break the wave on top on the real chart. So from here, if we do this, what we can take, we can simply take something like this. So we can remove this. I'm gonna control Z all of this. Perfect. So we can remove, we just go on a bit of a bigger time frame. Tours should be okay. We can remove this right here, this right here, this right here. Take the wave 5 right there, the wave 4 was in that case here, really crazy correction in there, and we just look in that case for the bigger retracement to come. So bigger wave 3 in, and we look for the bigger wave 4 retracement already. Okay, so this right there. And so here we just have to do the same, pull the retracement tool from the wave 3 top, right here on there, to the wave 2 bottom of wave 3 root, and this right here becomes the target. Okay, same as the lower time frame wave 2, wave 4, sorry. But yeah, for now I'm gonna take this like that because this is what we have planned first of all, so I'm gonna stick to the plan. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if you have some question on this. Let me know if you have some questions, otherwise we're good really. There are no Bitcoin, there are no TAs in here, so we're good with this for today. And yeah, this is what we can look at right now. Papercoin, by the way, did got a bounce again. This is just really nice for the investment. You know, I told I sold 50% around there. We've got a massive drop, holding the other 50% really, and now we are back up here. That's pretty cool. Really nice. Let me just remove some few alerts there. rename these long 1. Oops. Long 2. And the long 3. While waiting for your questions, if you have some, short number 1 and bam, short number 2. So I know exactly where it rings, where we are. Nice. Remove yesterday's ones. And we are good. Nice. All right, so I don't see any questions right now in the chat. So if you are watching this update later and you still have some questions, do not hesitate to join the Discord server. Go into the question channel right here, ask your questions. It's a real pleasure as always for me to answer you. And the dates here, by the way, just to really quickly before to end the live stream, I'm gonna go on this, gonna remove all the levels, and this one too. I'm gonna pull this here and pull the time. So you see this right here was, you know, the zone of time, the zone of day really. It was in October already, by the way. Oh jeez, this was in October. We're already in December. This is very crazy. But anyway, so December here, it was between the 2nd and the 11, with the 4 in between also here. Well, we still have the 11, okay, but maybe the zone of day 3 was really just big green counts. You can see here, from here, we start doing some massive green counts again. So this was maybe just some green counts, you know, to expect in this. Now here we'll see we still have the 11 of December, 11 here. So we'll see what's happening there. But yeah, this was maybe just big green counts, yeah. And the next FIP times really come around March 2024. Okay, but anyway, you have everything on the Discord server. You also have the next date later, really above here. Okay. But anyway, on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day. I don't see any questions right now, no. So I think we're good. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Take care and catch you all tomorrow for the next one. Cheers.